Hi everyone, Janette here. I'm a Zenfolio expert. Today we're going to go over sharing your galleries. Once you have a gallery created and photos uploaded, you'll need to get it to your clients and other visitors. You can easily share a gallery from your account through direct emails to clients, guests, or other visitors you have an email address for. Or you can get the direct link to the gallery to post to social media or send waves outside of Zenfolio. To share your galleries, follow these steps. In your account, click on the galleries icon on the far left side. Select the gallery you want to share. In the gallery, click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner. A menu will appear where you can email, copy direct link, or edit direct link. Now let's go over sending an invite email. After choosing email from the Share drop-down menu, a new page will load where you will see the default gallery invite email template loaded automatically. In the top left-hand corner of this area, use the Select Email Template drop-down to select which email template you want to use. Any clients, guests, or visitors that have their email addresses already associated with the gallery will automatically get added as the recipients of the email. However, you can remove any of these contacts if needed. Additionally, if you would like to send this email to someone that has not already been associated within the gallery, you can add their email address as an additional visitor. You can then review the content and design of the email template that will be used. If you need to make any changes to the email, you can do this right here. The preview of the email will update automatically as you make changes so that you can see a live preview of the email that will be sent. If you make changes to the content and design of the email template, you can save changes to replace the existing template in your account, or you can save as a new template. Once you're happy with the email that is going to be sent, simply click on Send Email. Now let's go over editing the direct link of a gallery. When you first create a gallery in your account, the title that you give the gallery will automatically generate the default URL of the gallery. However, if you'd like to create a custom URL for the gallery, you can do so by clicking on Share in the gallery. And then you can choose Edit Direct Link. In the direct link box, you can then add the custom portion of the URL that you want to create for this gallery. You will see a preview of the full link under the text field. Once you've created a custom direct link, click on Save and Copy. Keep in mind that the gallery's access settings will determine who can visit the gallery. If you're wanting to share this direct link publicly, you'll need to make sure that visitors are allowed to view the gallery publicly. You also have the option to copy a direct link when wanting to share galleries. Simply click on Share, on Copy Direct Link, and you're all set. If you have any questions or need help along the way, feel free to reach out to us via chat or at support@zenfolio.com.